In this video, I will show you how to attach the Movi Pro Adapter to the new Jib Universal Quick Mount. Start by loosening the main nut on the Jib Universal Quick Mount. Once you loosen the main nut on the Jib Universal Quick Mount, the female top will come off. After you remove the female adapter, take the 1/4 inch hex key and loosen up the set screw in the locking pinch nut. Once you've loosened the set screw on the locking pinch nut, you can unscrew the locking pinch nut from the threaded male adapter. That will allow you to unscrew the main nut so that you can get to the base of the threaded male adapter. For the Movi Pro adapter, we have provided 6mm button heads with washers and a 4mm hex key. Once all of these are tightened, you will take the main nut and screw that back on. Once you get the main nut threaded all the way down, you will take the locking pinch nut and thread that onto the first set of threads. Make sure the locking pinch nut is flush with the top of the threaded male adapter with the locking button facing down. Go ahead and take your 1/4 inch hex key and tighten the set screw. Grab the female universal quick mount, and you will notice that there is a button on the locking pinch nut and there's a hole on the female universal quick mount. You want to line up the hole with the locking pinch nut button. It will drop in there and sit into place as a safety. After you have done this, take the main nut and thread it all the way up till it locks into place with the top of the female adapter. Then grab your secondary safety pin and insert into the hole closest to that side for extra safety and security. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. Stay tuned for more how-to videos on Jib products. And if you haven't already, head on over to the website and check out our new products page. Subscribe and hit that like button. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook.